Welcome back to my video series on algebra exercises and solution. Exercises are from the Shinabula Grade Maths textbook, chapter 1. In our previous video, we walked through exercises A to G, but now we are moving on to the next set of exercises covering H to M. So let's dive in and get started. Exercise H into bracket 3k minus 2 multiply by into bracket k plus 6. Okay, 3k minus 2 into bracket multiply by into bracket k plus 6. Exercise H. Now take one side of the first bracket and multiply by k, and also multiply by 6. You should do the same to the second side of the bracket like this. Now 3k multiply by into the bracket of k plus 6, then negative 2 multiply by into bracket of k plus 6 2. Now open the bracket with 3k, so we have 3k multiplied by k plus 6 multiplied by 3k, 3k multiplied by k plus 6 multiplied by 3k, negative 2k multiplied by 6, then we have negative 12. Remember k is having exponent of 1 on each, so we have 3k raised to power 2 plus 18k minus 2k minus 12. $18k minus 2k. You can actually stop there. Do you remember BODMAS? BODMAS. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now exercise I into bracket x plus 6 square. Exercise I, x plus 6 into bracket raised to power 2. This raised to power 2 means into brackets x plus 6 multiplied by into brackets x plus 6. Now take this s and then multiply by 7. S multiplied by into bracket s plus 6, 6 multiplied by x, and also by 6. So we have plus 6 into bracket s plus 6. Now open the bracket, x multiplied by x plus 6s plus 6s plus 36. Now remember that s is having an exponent of 1 on each, s raised to power 1, s raised to power 1. So we have s raised to power 2 plus 12s plus 36, and that's the final answer. Now exercise J, negative or minus into bracket 7 minus x multiplied by into bracket 7 plus x. So the first thing here, you open the brackets with negative sign. So negative 1 multiplied by 7, we have into brackets negative 7 plus x multiplied by 7 plus x into bracket. Negative 7 multiplied by 7 and also multiplied by x. So we have negative 7 into bracket 7 plus x. X multiplied by 7 and also multiplied by x. Plus x into bracket 7 plus x. Open the bracket. Negative 49 minus 7x. Open the second bracket. We have 7x plus x raised to power 2. This is because x is having exponent of 1 on each of them. Now, negative 7x and positive 7x will cancel each other. Then we have negative 49 plus x raised to power 2, and that's all. Exercise K into bracket 3x minus 1 multiplied by into bracket 3x plus 1. Use the 3x to open the next bracket and also the plus 1. 3x into bracket 3x plus 1. Use the negative 1 to open it to negative 1 into bracket 3x plus 1. 3x multiplied by 3x, we have 9x squared plus 3x times 1, 3x, negative 3x, negative 1 multiplied by 1, negative 1. Now, positive 3x, we cancel negative 3x. 9x squared minus 1. That's it. Exercise L into bracket 7k plus 2 multiplied by into bracket 3 minus 2k. Use 7k to open the next bracket. 7k into bracket 3 minus 2k. Now positive 2 into bracket 3 minus 2k. 7k multiplied by 3, we have 21k minus 7k multiplied by negative 2k, negative 14k squared plus 6